Jordan is a gateway to inheritance. Patuloy natin talakayin ang pagtawid ng mga Israelites sa Jordan River. Sabi sa Joshua chapter 4 verse 1 to 7, God instructed Joshua doon sa dry ground ng Jordan River, sa kalagitnaan po ng pagtawid nila, na pumili ng 12 lalaki sa bawat isang tribes ng Israel. At ang bawat isa daw po doon ay kailangan kumuha ng tig-iisang bato sa gitna ng Jordan River. And that 12 stones were to serve as a memorial in future. Kapag nagtanong yung future generation kung anong ibig sabihin ng mga bato na yun, ipapaliwanag ng mga tao na nahati ang tubig sa ilog Jordan before the Ark of the Covenant of the Lord. Kapatid, ang purpose nito was not to remember Israel's strength, but God intervention. Remember that grace always points back to what God has done for us. Psalms 103 verse 2, it says, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all His benefits." The Christian life is not centered of remembering our failures, but remembering Christ's finished work. Jordan is the gateway to inheritance. Crossing Jordan River was not merely leaving the wilderness. It was entering their inheritance. In Christ, grace does not merely forgive sins. It brings us into sonship, favor, blessing, and spiritual inheritance. Romans 8 verse 17, it says, "And if children, the heirs of God, and joint heirs with Christ." Grace is not just a rescue from Egypt or salvation. It is an entrance to Canaan or inheritance. And the Jordan River is a powerful picture of the gospel. The Jordan speaks of the impossibility of saving ourselves. The ark speaks of Christ going before us. The parted water speaks of judgment being removed. The dry ground speaks of a finished salvation. And the memorial stones, it speaks about remembering the grace of the Lord. And this one, I leave to you, that the promised land speak of our inheritance in Christ. Israel did not cross because they are strong enough. They crossed because God made a way. Likewise, we do not enter God's blessings just because we performed well. We enter because Jesus has already gone before us. He removed the barriers and declared that it is finished. Tapos na. The message of Jordan was not try harder. The message of Jordan is trust the one who has already made a way. Grace takes us where effort never can. Kaya naman kapatid, pagkatiwalaan natin ang Panginoon. Ang kaparaanan niya at wala ng iba. Yun lamang mga kapatid, at pagpalain tayong lahat ng ating Panginoon. God bless us all.